Hi all, in this video I will introduce you all to some basic HTML tags. So what I am going to do is I am going to solve out a question that goes like this, where I have to use some basic tags to design a page such that it should include some content that is in paragraphs, some clickable image, and should also have some links that include some external link, internal link, email and phone link, and then I have to introduce some lists concept, and then finally I have to introduce some table concept to this. So let's see how we're going to deal with it. So the code for that is already ready here, already coded. So already done the code part. So here, as you all know, HTML starts with the basic HTML tag, then comes the head and body part. In head, the title goes like web tech lab, so which comes as if we are going to the heading of the tab will be web tech lab. Then we are going to body part. In body part, it is divided into three, that is header, section and footer. Header, in header tag I am going to give India, and before India it is of type h1 tag and em tag. H1 tag refers to the heading, that is the highest one, that is h1, which gives the highest among all h1 to h6. Em refers to slanting thing and strong refers to boldness. And finally I am also attaching an image with this text, that is India. So for attaching an image, the tag is image source. The source is given as images India. Since this is linked to the same file here, folder, that is linked to index.html, we are differently given this as images india.jpg. Otherwise we have to mention the entire file name. Also, it is given as alternate is equal to double quotes, that is empty string, which refers that if the image is not available, it won't show anything. So there are two types of tags, that is container tag and empty tag. So the strong, em and h1 all are container tags. Then under section part, what we are going to do is there is some random text that is put under paragraph tag. So h3 is a tag, that is a heading tag, which comes after h1 according to the size. So then we go to anchor tag. Anchor tag here refers to current.edu. So this target.blank gives that it will it will be going to a new page. For example, I'll just show you. Yeah, www.current.edu will go like here we'll be having one link over here. This link will be given to, so since target is equal to blank is given, it will go to a new page, new web page. The next one is ahref. This anchor tag is pointing, since it's given with a hash symbol, it's pointing to some foot one. So this foot one may be id of some tag, so that is referenced here. So there is it gives us go to footer. So whenever we click on footer, it references to the tag which is named as foot one. Then the next one is we have given reference to a mail ID, that is info@current.edu. So whenever we click on this text in that particular web page, we will be referenced to the Gmail where we will be mailing to info@current.edu. The next one is telephone tag. So in this anchor tag we are given telephone colon this number. So whenever we click on this, this will go to, this will guide us to guide a call to this number. So afterwards is this reference to outward side, that is courses.current.edu. So this is referenced by this image. So whenever this image is clicked, we'll go to courses. Then the next part of the section is again festivals, and then some random text is typed. Afterwards we come across data list, data description, data lists. So what data list deals with is this data lists are mainly used in glossaries, definitions and all, where it is divided into two parts, that is data term and data definition. So once whatever is written in data list, that is under data definition, data term, the data definition term refers to as the heading of that, and data definition will be accordingly indented and it will be displayed. So it is like I have added up here states. So the subpart of states is India comprises of 29 states. Likewise, two terms are added. Then we come across list. UL refers to unordered list and LI refers to list, that is normal ordered list. A normal list, and OL refers to ordered list. So what we are going to do is unordered list. It comes across all those list that is referenced to by shapes such as small squares, rectangle, circles, etc. And our ordered list comes across digits, numerals, Roman numbers, etc. So here all type is 1, so all of this will be coming under 1, 2, 3 category. Then under each ordered list or unordered list, we have to list it out under the tag list. So Uttar Pradesh, Goa. Under Goa, we have given another unordered list. So this forms a nested list. So we'll come across this in the web page. Under the third section, what we are going to do is we have to create a table there. So some random text is typed as already we did it. Now we are going to create a table. So this is the tag for table where border is 1, size of the border is 1 and width is 100%. That refers that the entire web page is covered. So the caption is given by monthly savings. So caption is the tag which helps us to give the heading for the table. So table parts are divided into T head and T body, where T head refers to the heading, it's particularly only for the heading, and T body refers to the other columns or rows of this table. So whenever whatever we are going to type it under TR, that is table row. And under table row there are two types. One is table head or table data, where table head is referenced by TH will be given in bold letters. Otherwise, if you are given in TD, that will be normal data, just typed out. Then for each column we are giving TD, where this TD, that is TD row span 4 and align center refers that the particular data will be aligned to the center part, and then row span 4 is 4 rows will be combined and it will be a single row. So we'll come across this in the next part, and here in one of the rows we are going to add image, so we have given the image link here. In call span, that is 3 columns are combined and it is written up with happy savings. And after that we come to the last part, that is the footer part, where footer ID is given as foot1, which we already referenced in the top part, that is here. Here we came to an anchor tag where it refers to hash foot1. So whenever we click on this go to footer, it will lead us to the part whose ID is foot1. So we'll come to this point, and then we are referencing to three references, that is sector 1, 2, 3. So whenever we click on any of the three tags, it will be going to particular tags. So section 1, that is go to subheading 1 is sec1, reference by sec1. Sec1 leads to this first section. So first section, and whereas sec2 refers to the second section and the sec3 refers to the third section. That's all with the code of this HTML, and we'll try to run this file now. So we are easily able to run this. Here as we saw, it is coming out like this. So if we click on this, we will be guiding on to the www.khan.edu site. That's an external link. We give it as target is equal to blank. That's this thing. It's working perfectly. Go to footer. It's working good. So then we are going to give info@khan.edu. Since no external software is attached with it, it is not leading us to the particular tab. So what we are going to, so whenever we click on info@khan.edu, it will show up these options. So if I am going to click on mail, it will open up the mail where the recipient will be info@khan.edu. I mean the receiver will be info@khan.edu. We have to type the center part. Now when I click on this number, actually it should go for a call to this number, but since I am not having any software to implement that, it's not working here. Whenever we try it with an Android phone or an iOS phone, it will work out for sure. Now this image, when we click on this image, it will guide us to course.karunya. Since the network is not so good, it is not going there, so it will connect there. Under festivals, as I told you, data definition and data lists, it comes across like data terms and data definition where states, and this goes like this. And here is the nested list where unordered list is given up by dot, which is type one of the types, and 1 2 is referred to as list. So here nested list is implemented. Then finally we come across to the table where here we are using row span to combine 4 rows, and here we are using 3 columns span to combine 3 rows, combine 3 columns to give it as happy savings. Here is the images that we have implemented, and when we click on this particular subheading, it will go to that. So that's all in this coding part. Thank you.